all of that, and this was done by a contractor. Within the antenna work, you open that up, they have completed the serial and labeling, the tape drop, all of this has been checked off, has been completed. This is what you can ask a contractor to do. And at the end of this, here's all the things they've done. Here's all the pictures. And this is a contractor actually taking pictures on their phone saying, yes, I've done this, and here's the readings on it.
Oh, this is up in a tower. Nice.
Yeah, this is the exact same software. This contractor is standing on top of a cell tower and using our app and taking all the pictures that are required by the carrier. And this is the same software. And again, it is simple as I can't show you the app right here, but the screen that you're looking at, when I open this tile, this is what pops up on their screen on their phone, and they go, click, this is complete, this is complete, this is complete, this is complete, and oh, by the way, here's a picture. And it is as simple as click, click, complete.
Okay.
Okay?